welcome to my channel. I am so excited to see you guys and talk to you guys once again. It has been really busy for me for the past few weeks, and I'm so sorry if I haven't uploaded videos regularly. It's just that it's so hard when you're gonna do the video and then you're gonna go ahead and edit it. Seriously, I felt like my 24 hours is not enough. But anyways, we are here to have fun today. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to this orange kind of sunset look. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate it if you go ahead and subscribe. So just click the subscribe button down there and also the notification so you'll be notified when new videos come in. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Okay guys, so I have already set my highlighter, my foundation, my concealer, my contour, and my eyebrows. I've already done that because I want to just focus on the eyes for today. And speaking of the eyes, let me just say this, that I'm very excited that I actually found my contact lens match. So this is not just a fashion contact lens. I really like colored contact lenses. The ones I have actually 3 of the same brand. So I have a gray one and this is a green color kind of. They don't call it just green. There's a specific color. And then I do have a hazel brown, which is really nice and very natural looking, but I actually like these type of colors. If you would like to check the website, and this is not a sponsor video, their website is Soft Lens Queen, and this is not just for fashion contact lenses. This got actually a power or a grade on it because I don't want to just wear, you know, eyeglasses. I really like, you know, having my face really free of, you know, whatever accessories that is. It's because if you guys are wearing your makeup and you wear eyeglasses, it will kind of like leave a mark over here and kind of like rub your makeup off, and I don't like that, you know. So well, it's really your choice, but I mean, if you'd like to check their website, it's softlensqueen.com. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in the description down below so you guys can see it. So let's go ahead and begin. Right, so with my favorite brush right here, if you have watched my previous videos, I always have like this kind of like favorite. I know I've used Morphe a lot, but I guess this is just one of my favorite. I mean, this one is a very affordable brush, and it doesn't kind of like come off, and it's very soft and it's very good for blending, so that's why it's my favorite. So for today's theme, I really want to get into like the orange kind of thing, orange, golden, yellow. So I have grabbed all my kind of orange looking eyeshadow that I can get off of my drawer over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just try to kind of put them all together and see what we can get. All right, I do have different products over here, and I actually have one that doesn't actually have a name, but I really like this palette because they're very pigmented. They're very pigmented. As you can see, it's kind of like, you know, I got some favorites over here. The ones that haven't even touched, that's probably the least of my favorite, but I really like vibrant, bright colors and pigmented eyeshadow, so I kind of have my favorite. This one doesn't have a name, and I used to call it Maria X palette because I got it from her, and this is from Facebook. I don't even know if she does carry it anymore, but what I'm trying to say is that you can actually use any palettes and get to the color as close as possible. That's all that matters, and then kind of like play around with it. Eventually, as you blend out your colors, you will get the color that you wanted, or you will get to, you know, the same technique but kind of like slightly different eyeshadow color, but it still will look nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna grab the lightest of my orangey color among all my palettes over here, and I'm using Morphe 35OM, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this color over here. Alright, so I have already applied it. I really like that base color over there. I'm gonna go ahead and go to my Take Me Back to Brazil over here, and which is going to be this orange over here. Alright, so now it's really starting to get really orange. And then we're gonna go to my nameless palette over here, the so-called Maria X palette. Don't even know if it's available. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and get to this orange color over here. Alright, so it is looking nice. I really like that really red orange kind of thing. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab, I'm going to move to my Morphe 35W and just grab this color over here. And I haven't changed my brush as well. So what we're trying to do is we're kind of just like layering each and every color, okay? Okay, so after doing that, we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease, and I'm going to use my Born This Way concealer. I am going to use this flat brush over here. It doesn't have a name, I got it from Walgreens, I think. But very helpful. I don't know, for some reason, I would kind of like save my Morphe brushes. I can use my Morphe brushes. I just don't want to use it because I don't want it to get dirty. Okay, something's wrong with that, right? If I don't want my stuff to get dirty, right? So we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease. So normally I would put airspun or loose powder on top of it, but the thing is that I really wanted to have some metallic effect, so I want all the metallic kind of eye shadow stick to the eye. So I have already cut the crease. What I'm gonna do is for me to blend in the transition, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of brush it in like that. So I haven't changed my brush. And after doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and go to my BH Cosmetics Solar Flare. Okay, these are all kind of metallic. Hold on, let me see. Look at that, Solar Flare. So I'm gonna use Wavelength, which is this color over here. Okay, and this is better when your brush is actually wet. So this is my brush. It came from my Monster Guide palette. Supernatural. And then we're just gonna go ahead and kind of go over the crease that we did. And what you need to do is you kind of like just dab it as much as possible, if you can just do that instead of kind of like rubbing it, so that the colors will stick. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my Morphe 35OM, and I'm going to use this color over here once again. And then do the transition from the golden yellow to the orange over here. So I'm going to go ahead and define the crease because I ruined it. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab this, wet it a little bit. Okay, and this is my Morphe of finally, Morphe M326, which is this tiny little brush over here. And I'm gonna go ahead and go back to my nameless palette, the so-called Maria X, and just grab this orange color over here. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and just go over that crease because I ruined it. There you go. I just want it to be like really orange red. And before we go ahead and go down over here, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my glitter eyeliner, and which is I got from Amazon, and this is Hyundian, and this is how it actually looks like. I got, you know, a few different colors over here. Very, very good. It's I would say waterproof, I would say, because it will stay with me for the whole freaking day. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the crease. So this is orange as well, and we're gonna go ahead and just define the crease a little bit more. I can't get enough of the glitter and the shimmer, so I'm gonna grab another one, which is in gold. It's kind of like yellowish gold. And what I'm gonna do is, because I can't get enough of it, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it all over the cut crease, because it kind of like highlights the color more. I think I'm pretty much done with the upper eye, so we're gonna go ahead and just clean up over here. So we're gonna go ahead and just take out all the excess. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab again my Morphe M326, and I'm gonna go ahead and jump into a lighter orange again, just to kind of like give us a little background. I haven't really changed my brush, so it's still the same brush because I want to keep all the orange color, and just go over. There you go. And just go over the same crease. So we're kind of like just layering it. And that's going to be from Morphe 35OM, which is this color. So it's going to be the lighter color. We're going to layer it too. I'm not 100%. So there's a very light color over there. And then I'm going to go ahead and jump to my so-called Maria X palette, which is going to be this color over here. I don't know what it's called, but I love the beautiful orange color of it. Alright, so we're pretty much done over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my mascara and my eyelashes and my lipstick on, and I will be back. And this is the finished look for today. What do you guys think about our orangey eyeshadow for today? Please do sound your thoughts and comments down below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and as well as share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification button so you'll be notified when new videos come in. Until my next video, I really appreciate you spending time with me today. Have a good day, and I'll see you again soon.